guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Snapchat recap wrapped 2025. So you can see this is how the Snapchat recap looks like. So I'm going to show you how to get yours. So this is for the browser, that if you're finding it difficult to get yours on your Snapchat. So let's start now. So first thing, you have to go open up your Snapchat app just like this and click on the memory, that image sign right here, this one right here, where you get to see all your photos. So you click on that and you can see it immediately. You come here, you're going to see your 2025 recap, your snap right here. So all you just need to do is check for it out and check the recap, right? So but if you try it with your Snapchat app and it's not working, let me show you how to do it on your browser. So all you need to do is go to your browser and search for snapchat.com/recap, just like this, and it's going to appear. So you just pick continue and you're going to see yours, and you have to click on open in Snapchat. Right, so this is actually how to see your recap. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.